యా రికార్డ్ అవుతుందా? సో ఈ టూ టాస్క్ కంప్లీట్ చేయండి. బట్ ఆన్సబుల్ రోల్స్ కూడా టాస్క్ కంప్లీట్ చేయమన్నా ఆన్సిబుల్ అది ఒకసారి అప్లోడ్ చేద్దాం, చూపిద్దాం. డౌన్లోడ్స్ compass. Yeah, this is the one. Ansible roles. So these are all the roles, guys. So every role having Ansible Postgres roles. In this role having the defaults, handlers, meta, task, template, test, vars. So this is the role, and so all the roles. So for example, PHP coder. This is the role. So these all are the roles. All these roles, these are the vars. So these are the vars for these roles and inventory for these roles. These are the inventory. Okay. And this is the this is the AML file. What is the AML file, guys? The AML file should be, these all are the AML files, database AML files, create the user AML files, install, restart in Jenkins. So these all are the that AML files. These all are the AML files. This is the Ansible roles. Ansible roles. Yes, understood. So Ansible roles vars inventory. What is this? Roles and vars inventory. In the roles, we have a roles. These all are the roles. So in every role having their own tasks, default, handler, meta, task, template, test, vars. This is the real-time data. This is the real-time data. Yes, understood? So what is a role? So a role it supports. So what is that? So it will, so if you want to create the multiple YAML files and we can segregate. So in one YAML file, we will include all the things. So it will be clumsy. So we want to segregate it through the roles. So we want to segregate it through the roles. And so if you want to run the multiple YAML files YAML files, YAML playbook is difficult. So you can create a role. If you run the main playbook, it will automatically run the all the playbooks in that role. All the playbooks in that role. Yes, understood. Yes, understood. Yeah. This is also I'm giving the task to you guys. Task three. So roles. Yesterday we discussed it, right? So you guys can create some examples and store it under our guys. Everyone created your own GitHub account or not? Everyone created your GitHub account or not, guys?
Yes, sir,
Yes, sorry,
created.
created, right? So you guys can clone this my repository, fork my repository, and you guys can create your own repository, call it as a AWS with DevOps. right? AWS with DevOps, and whatever the practices you are done, right? Terraform, you guys can create a new repository. The repository should be AWS with DevOps batch 60. Okay, so you guys can create this repository. This is the repository, right? So, so you guys can upload your data into your repository. Okay, the data into a repository. Okay, one second. This is drag and drop this. Where exactly the folder? Yeah, it is taking. Okay, I will upload guys. Understood, right? So that roles, how we can do it roles. So whatever, wherever you can search it, guys. Maybe YouTube, Google, or whatever it may be. What is roles? How we can do the roles? You guys can create some file, some roles examples, and upload it in the repository. So what you can guys to do the task 4 is create a repository, then create the file called as the Linux, AWS, Terraform, and what is that, guys? Terraform, Git and GitHub. Okay, so Ansible, Ansible. So as of now, we have completed all these things, right? In the AWS, so something like EC2, S3, EC2, IAM user, everything you guys can practice it, guys. So you guys copy your whatever the files you are creating, right, in the Terraform. right? Terraform, you can create the stacks, something like a dev stack, QA stack, and prod stack. You guys can create this name like, and whatever the stack, right? The files will be uploaded in this way, guys. This is the way you guys can create your repository and store your data in this repository. And you can copy my repository also. You just fork it, so it will automatically create the my repository. It will automatically clone my repository. Is understood? So what this is not mine now. Okay, you guys can do like that. Understood? Guys, practice, guys, practice. Okay, I will not record this the real time.